starting with? What are we doing?
Jump.
Jump. Oh, jump squat. Jump squat. Okay, what's next? More jump squat. Oh, back there jump. Oh. Oh. Okay, what's next? What? What's that? Punch?
Punch.
Oh. Okay. What's next? Cross them over. Okay. What's next? What? Backwards windmill? Okay. What's next? Windmill. Okay, next.
Jumping jack.
Jumping jack? I got that. Woo! There, do the bird! Do the bird! Do the bird! Jumping jack! What's next? Watch out.
Go.
Go. Next.
Again.
Again?
I don't know.
What? Backwards? Oh wait, this is backwards. Backwards. What's next? Jump squat. What's next? No. Oh, back star. That's back star jump. Last one. Now what?
He likes just the jump.
You're worse than Jillian. Hey, what's next?
What about stretches?
Do we have any stretches? We have to do stretches? And
Sit down on the ground a little.
okay. What? Do we have any more?
And we go.
Any more? No, we're all done, Jillian. You're Jillian.
You just do the cool downs.
Bracken, can
He
we
likes the
can we
stretches.
stretch?
Bracken,
Want to stretch?
show mama.
How do I stretch? Show me. How do I do it?
He makes his hands go real big.
Think I go like this? Oh. Now which way? Now what?
Buddy, back up just a second.
Are you all done? Oh.
Oh, leg stretches. Do it again, Brett.
All done. High five, Mr. Jillian. Oh. You Bracken Michaels?